The Zeme Nagas hold a rich tradition of innovative musical instruments that breathe life into their cultural festivities. Their melodies, deeply rooted in history, start with the resonant thump of the nsum, a drum that commands the rhythm of their gatherings, complementing entuk, a unique mouth organ that infuses the atmosphere with soft, haunting tones. Equally captivating is the nrabung, a single-stringed violin that sings the stories of the tribe with every stroke of its bow. The metium flute offers a sweet, lyrical sound, while the kabwiki trumpets, crafted from buffalo or mithun horns, the entoi cymbals clash with a buoyant energy, and the hemu gong resonates with deep, profound echoes. These instruments, essential to Zeme Naga celebrations, connect the past and present through their enchanting harmonies.
Kalam,